Pretty thorough with my slashing attacks on my own, so it should take the demon a while to regenerate. Oh, that's so cool. It didn't even look like he put that much effort into that. Oh, I'm getting excited. I want to see more, I want to see more, I want to see more. No matter what form he's assumed, so long as he's a demon. I want you to show me how gutsy you are. Oh my gosh. Rengoku doesn't even look like he got phased at all by this. That guy with the Google eyes. So he was awesome. Yep, the competition is real, Inosuke. I found the master's weak spot. Oh, okay. That's what I was saying. There has to be a weak point. Oh, good thing Inosuke has that tracking technique. Whoa. Very fishy, especially around here. Oh, the demon's weak spot. Oh yeah, the head. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Come on! Come on, Tanjiro! Ah! It's not like you came to my rescue. Yeah, they have to decapitate it, right? The demon's ten is powerful. Let's get the demon's head is right below here. I'm the leader. Oh my gosh! Just get to it. Second fang. Slice. No, can't be that easy. It's bone. Eighth form. Oh, it's protecting it. Oh man. Maybe they have to do all of their techniques at once. Oh man, this is gonna be a hell of a task to do. While the others jump in to sever the bone. Yep. Come on, teamwork, teamwork, teamwork. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh no. Forced unconscious? Oh shoot. Slash your own neck in your dream. Oh. It's alright. Okay. I wonder if Inosuke is doing the same. Oh shit. Shit. Oh, wake up! With my eyes shut. Oh, crap. Crap! Oh my gosh. Okay, so yeah, even though like No! He was confusing himself. Oh shit. Don't fall for his trap. Oh. Crap. I hope this isn't a dream. I see he's having a hard time telling which way Inosuke is looking. Oh! Oh, wait. What did he just inject him with? Oh, I'm getting confused. I don't know if this is a dream. No, this can't be. This can't be a dream. No, this is for real. Oh, okay. Oh, shit. Inosuke notices. I think he noticed that he was bleeding. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh! Oh, this is so cool! Ah, go Inosuke! Okay, go into it, Tanjiro. Go, go, go! Woo! Ah! Slash it, slash it! Huh? Because of its screaming, the train's turning over. Oh no. Shit, all the passengers. Huh? Oh no! Fuck, all the passengers. Oh, hang in there. Is your belly okay? I'm alright. What is it that guy stabbed him with, though? I won't be able to move for a while. Help the others. It's okay if the bastard dies. I hope it's not poison or something. Maybe it's just a paralyzing thing, so that everybody could just stay put as they go to sleep. Help him, will you? Oh, Tanjiro's so kind. Wait, am I going to die? Ridiculous. I've been able to go all out. After all the time and trouble I've taken. It was him. It's all his fault. Even though I'd taken 200 humans hostage, still I struggled. That's true, it wasn't all Tanjiro. It's because it's all of them. And plus, Rengoku, he did that pretty hard blow. So that weakened the demon already. Brad is to blame. Oh shoot. That boar thwarted me. Intuition is extraordinary. He could sense my gaze. Am I going to lose? With the bottom feeder demons who get killed by the demon slayer. In the upper ranks, the same demons have remained. Oh, are we gonna meet them? Oh. Receive Master Total Concentration. Your torn blood vessel. Concentrate harder. Oh my gosh, you can do that? You can internally like repair yourself? That's crazy. Looks like you stopped it. That is crazy. I didn't know that these techniques that they've been using, you can heal yourself. I thought they were only used for fighting. Wow. And Rengoku knew how to do that. Oh my gosh, an upper moon? Oh, it's an upper moon. Okay, Rengoku's gaze like totally changed. Oh crap. Oh fuck. Okay, I'm actually getting goosebumps. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh. Dude is fast. It's a fine sword. You sure can regenerate fast. Okay, now I have to talk about. I'm meeting you now for the first time, but I'm ready to psych you. I can tell your strength at a glance. You're Ashira. Become a demon. Both growing old and dying are part of the beauty of being a normal creature like a human. The fact that we grow old is what makes us a human life so unbearable. Strength isn't a word used to describe just the body. Don't insult him. Oh shoot. Ooh. Okay. I'm really excited. First time seeing an upper moon. Holy crap. If you refuse to become a demon, I'll kill you. Oh! Holy crap. I can't even see them. I can't follow their movements. Dang, he's fast. Should I use decline of someone blessed with extraordinary powers? It pains me. I can't bear it. Oh, so he's in air. Or he does the air technique. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap! Flame breathing. Fourth form. Blooming flame adulation. Oh, I hope I said that right. He has to do close contact. Yeah. Dang. This guy is crazy. It happens soon. No, there's no way. None of them can ever keep up with. Wait, stand back. Don't bother with that weakling. Crap. No, there's no way. Like, this is beyond Tanjiro and his friends' level. It's sad to say, but I don't even think they should even try to help him. Like, or can they even? If even Rengoku can't keep up with that guy's speed. Guide me forever and get stronger together with me. No. Let me repeat it. I don't like you. Flame breathing. Third form. Dude is just too fast. Oh! There's no opening. I can't jump in. I wonder if Zenitsu, though, can get close to their speed. But he's unconscious. Still don't get it. Continue attacking, you're just getting closer to death. Oh! Shit! Oh shit!